If you're experiencing echo issues on your Android phone during calls, don't worry. You're not alone. This can be frustrating, making conversations difficult to hear, but with a few quick fixes, you can improve your call quality in no time. Start with basic troubleshooting. First, make sure your microphone and speaker are clean. Dust or debris can interfere with sound quality. If you're using a phone case, check if it's blocking the microphone or speaker holes. Try removing it and see if that helps. Adjust your phone settings. If the echo persists, let's tweak some settings. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access quick settings, then tap the gear icon to enter settings. Scroll down, find additional settings and tap on it. Inside, scroll down and look for factory reset. Here, you'll see different reset options. Select Erase All Data. Don't worry, this only resets system settings and won't delete your personal data, apps, or accounts. This can fix any misconfigurations that might be causing the echo. Final checks. After resetting, restart your phone and make a test call. If the issue continues, check for software updates. Manufacturers often release updates to fix call quality issues. If none of these steps work, the problem could be hardware-related. Inspect the microphone area for visible damage or signs of water exposure. If echoes persist across multiple apps like Zoom or Skype, it might be time to get your device professionally checked. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to eliminate echo issues and enjoy clearer calls again. If this guide helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.